Omukoro gwo kuhabatura ebyapa gwakorwa Kishayi kya Rukandaje Primary School omurka gwa Nyaruhandagazi kandi gwayetabwamu enkuyanja y'abantu. Bigirwa Dora Nyendwoha memba w'akakiiko k'ishengyero akamataka nwe yazwekera minisita w'ebyamataka Judith Nabakoba mukoro ogu.
Privileged to be here in Rampara District to officiate the handover of freehold certificates of title to land owners who were formerly occupants of land comprised in Rampara Block 15 and Plot 10. Ukandaje, Rampara District, where the government compensated the previous landowner, Mr. John Patrick Walije, and processed freehold titles in your names.
Omuspikiye minister yashoborera ngo abantu kwebwe ebyapa bahebwe obushoborozi kuba bakama b'amatakaga batine oriko bateganisa.
Plot 2017.
As the minister responsible for lands, I am pleased to report that the lawful and bona fide occupants of this land have now become current registered proprietors, Niga landlords.
Dennis Nduhuro wazwekera chairman wa Lands Commission yashaba batunga ebyapa okuba entumwa nungi.
Bagambira ngo ibi byapa mbikume mbikwatinga gold. Buli omwe yakigamba abakafuna babategerize kubiya musente byapa bakabitwara. Mwe nyabara mubikume. Mwahura nyo nishaba ngo batwongere sente. Kunkate bahura ngo imwe babihiye abakafuna byona babitwire.
To start, I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to the government of Uganda under the able leadership of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Its unwavering commitment to addressing the plight of ordinary Ugandans, the establishment and operationalization of the Land Fund is a clear demonstration of responsive and people-centered government.
Omukoro guhona gwahikwa wabembezi batari bamwe na bamwe kandi basima government abo kwishikirize byaraganise.
Obwahati nashemerwa munongeri zobe kibanza cyo kwakana 2026 basa kwereza amaka 2020 ebyapa byabo abana bari bari amataka aguba kweta Mayorland n'amataka go mugabe
kandi ebi tukabishabira minister yajya tukurije ko nareba aha na nideriho mwaza kubifuna egi process ebonire munonga akuba abantu babire bino kwerarikirira nibatura hina site bari yabyapa tubakumangu nebyabo kongeje shaha baza gukora intunguka myanya yabo
namazima wabo ina ori atakaria mahiro topasa korachi orokubano omenye chakale ori anaija kuinga akuzitaka bakishimo akora urabye mukuru mwebare prezusabe nakumaho kali akumeho
bamumbatunga ebyapa basima government abwenkora yo kuyamba abantu okubatungira ebyapa byamataka gabo
akwacho besta ko ndeni kuranda piringaje kugira ngo mentine cyapa umutakari yanje akuba ran ayito yit ero mazina go mugari
hato namanya ngwita kerindwe n'ebyanje abukuba twerarikirire tumango shaha yona nibije kutubira kunka mwene hata nashemerwa abukuba nafone cyapa namanya ngwita kanita kari yanje.
Awa TV West nda Abdulkarim Sengendo.